Hey Tom, what do you think of this laptop?
It looks really sleek. Is that the new Ultrabook X?
Yeah, it is. But the Power Pro 3000 over here has a better processor, I think.
True, the Power Pro is known for its speed. Are you looking for something powerful or more portable?
That's the dilemma. The Ultrabook is so light, perfect for my commute.
Right, but if you're doing heavy tasks, the Power Pro will handle it much better.
I mostly use it for work and some light photo editing, nothing too intense.
In that case, battery life might be a big factor too. Which one lasts longer?
Good point. The Ultrabook says up to 12 hours and the Power Pro around 8.
Oh, 12 hours is pretty impressive. That's a significant difference.
It is. And the screen on the Ultrabook seems a bit brighter too.
Yeah, the display looks great. What about the price difference?
The Ultrabook is a bit more expensive, about $200 more.
Okay, so you're paying for portability and battery. For your usage, I'd lean towards the Ultrabook X.
You think so? I guess the extra power of the Power Pro isn't really necessary for me.
Exactly. The Ultrabook sounds like a better fit for your needs.